This video will introduce you to NVivo transcription for Windows. In previous versions, you had access to the Transcribe Me service. Now, you can have your media files transcribed with NVivo transcription, an automated transcription service. NVivo transcription currently works for 29 languages. For a list of the supported languages, please visit the QSR website. Video files can be transcribed as well, however, these are converted to audio first. NVivo transcription offers fast turnaround times, approximately half the length of the media, and cost-effective transcription rates. To get the best results, you will need to have good quality audio files. Testing your equipment before the actual recording session can help determine the quality of the sound and the best spot for placing the microphone or device. With good quality audio, you can achieve up to 90% accuracy with NVivo transcription. There are several tips that you can use to ensure your audio recordings are as good a quality as possible. Use these tips to ensure you capture quality audio in your recordings. Minimize background noise. Make sure the speakers talk clearly. Limit strong accents and avoid using slang. Place the microphone close to the person talking. And finally, avoid two people talking simultaneously. All data is encrypted when uploading and when stored. When you first use NVivo transcription, you will be asked to create a My NVivo account through which you can purchase credits to pay for transcriptions. Creating a My NVivo account and purchasing credits can be done both through your NVivo project and directly through a web browser. To create a My NVivo account through your NVivo project, with the project open, on the Create ribbon, click on NVivo transcription. If you wanted to create your account through your web browser, you just need to head to account.mynvivo.com/login. If you create within a project, you can click here to sign up. This will open up a page in your browser where you can enter your email address and a password to create your account. You will need to agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions to continue. Once you've done this, you can click Create My Account. On the Complete Your Profile screen, you will need to enter your first name, your last name, and using the drop-down menu, you can choose the country that you're based in. Then click Next. On the What is your area of research screen, use the drop-down menu to select the sector you work in and enter the organisation name. Then click Next. You now need to enter credit card payment details. Your credit card will not be charged unless you purchase credit. Click Submit and your account will be created. You will receive an email which you will need to open and click to verify your account. Once your My NVivo account is created, you will have 15 minutes free credit. Further credits can be purchased at any time. You are now ready to create transcriptions and edit transcripts through your My NVivo account.